walked to school. She picked up her book. He turned on the light. Bill walked to the blackboard. They are studying geography. Mary talked to the teacher. She opened her lunchbox. He closed the door. She talked to Sally. She picked up a piece of chalk. They played cricket. John and Dick carried their lunchboxes. Some sentences. She is walking to school. He played cricket. What is John reading? Did they study English? Sally is writing on the blackboard. Did they play football? And is reading that magazine. What did she close? What did he do? He opened his book. What's he doing? He's opening his book. What did she turn off? She turned off the radio? Who's she? She's Mary Turner. What's he turning on? He's turning on the light. What did she close? She closed her notebook. What are they studying? They are studying English. What did he carry? He carried his lunchbox. They are talking to their teacher. What did she pick up? She picked up a new paper. He talked to the teacher. She closed the window. Mary played tennis. Bill and Carol studied science. She carried her umbrella. Did she carry her umbrella? Tom walked to his car. Did Tom walk to his car? They picked up their pencils. Did they pick up their pencils? Did Mary turn off the radio? Did they study English? Where did they study English? What did Mary turn off?